In this video, we're going to look at how you can create automations and how to set conditions and triggers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to My Automations. You'll see that that puts a pop-up like this. You get the choice between both a simple follow-up and an advanced visual automation. Simple follow-up you can think of as a normal follow-up sequence where you're just sending emails in a row. And an advanced automation is where there's multiple splits or other things outside of email. In this example, we're just going to use the simple follow-up automation, and then you can choose between starting from scratch or using a template. So in this case, we're going to start from scratch, but you can check out the templates as well. That's going to load the simple automation builder. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to set a trigger. Now, this is the entry point for the contact, okay? So from here, you want to select your trigger. So you can do things like if a contact clicks a link in an email, add it to a segment, or is added to a tag. These are probably going to be your main ones here. Added to tag, for example, is a good one to use. So in my example, I'm going to use this. Contact is added to a tag, and then I'm going to choose my tags. Up-fire or reward 1. Okay, so that's the tag. Now you can click this to add multiple. So if you want multiple triggers, then you can add those. Now the next thing is to give it a name and select a category. So we're going to call this one, we'll call it invite earned, and we're going to put it in the Platformly category. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to end if. So this is conditions. So we're going to set a global condition because we're going to be promoting Platformly to this list. And if people join Platformly, we then want to stop emailing them. So here's where you select a condition. And in this case, I'm going to say is subscribed to a segment. So when they join the segment, active members, and then you see you can click and you can add multiple conditions as well. So you just click add another condition and you can add those. For now, we're just going to have just the one. So what we've got is we've got the title given, and that allows us to now save it. We've set our global conditions and we've also set our triggers. If we go back here, we can now add our first email. So we're going to do that, and we want it to go as soon as they earn the reward, we're going to send them out this email. And here we have selected this one. Okay, so you've earned your invite. And then you want to select the value. So we want to send this email. Let's say we're going to send it, let's do 30 minutes after. So 30 minutes after they qualify. Rather than straight away, we'll give a little bit of a delay on that, okay? And then we're going to tell them that they've earned the invite. Once we've done that, we'll choose our sender profile for this. And then our next step is to come up here and click add next email. And then we'll choose that one as well. Okay. And that's going to load up. Set how long after, so we'll give it a quick title. And we're going to set how long after the next step we want to send that. So in this case, we're going to send it 2 days after they got the previous one. And once that's done, we can just come up here and we can click Save Automation, because it's going to be a two email automation series for the moment. We can see that the automation has successfully saved. So then when we click back, we'll see our automation there, and it'll be needing to be activated. So let's quickly go there and do that now. And from this page as well, it lists automations are global. So it's for all the projects because you can do crossovers and so on. So then what we can do here is we can choose by a specific category. So instead of saying all categories, we're just going to have the one. Okay, and we'll apply that. And here we'll see. So you can see that it's active and it's ready to start running. Okay, it hasn't run yet. As soon as that triggers, 30 minutes after someone gets that tag from now on, that's going to start running. You can see this shows what type of automation. That's advanced, and this is the simple one. This is the one that we've just created. And it's the same process in advanced. So I hope that this video helps you starting to set up your automations.